Good day, everyone. This is GMG Social Network Ideology. My name is Nwachukwu Leonard from Nigeria. We'll be looking at the following content. What is GMG? Ideology of GMG, how GMG works, types of Marvel in GMG, rules of GMG, benefits of GMG. What is GMG? GMG means Green Marvel Global, and it is a community of helpers created by a group of former MMM participants and guidance. Their aim is to actualize the dream of Sodi Marvel. The community is built on blueprint of his tenets. Green Marvel Global Community is not a bank. Green Marvel does not collect your money. Green Marvel is not an online business, hype, investment, or MLM program. Green Marvel is a community where people help each other. Green Marvel gives you a technical platform which helps millions of its members worldwide to connect those who need help with those who are willing to provide help for free. All funds you transfer to one another member represent helps you provide of your own goodwill, absolutely gratis. Green Marvel Global Community is a community that is not interest or profit driven. It is a society of global financial aid and donation exchange community through direct transfer of financial donation among participants. That is peer-to-peer system, meaning person-to-person donation. Ideology of Marvel Global Community. I am not here to introduce to you a religious system. Neither am I interested in letting you know the best investment package. Rather, I am interested in telling you the truth that many people doesn't want you to know. The truth of the matter is that we are in a financial slavery, and one of the ways to get out of financial slavery is through GMG. Green Marvel Global Community was created in accordance with the principle and ideology of Sodi Marvel. Hence, the ideology of Green Marvel Global Community is for you to be free financially. The modern world is bad. It is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. It is not for people. It is not for those who produce this money. But it is for bankers and financiers, governments, and the millionaires. History of Sodi Mavrodi. Sodi Mavrodi is the founder and leader of MMM Social Community. Sodi Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating system. He was a deputy of Russian parliament. His literary works were published and sold in bookstores. He was born 11th August 1955. He started MMM Cooperative in 1989. He became a joint stock company in 1994. He was arrested in 2003 and jailed in 2007. Revival of MMM in 2011. Died 26th March 2018. How does GMG work? People use their spare money to help rectify well-being. You declare willingness to give help, that is to provide help, after which your account will be credited with Marvel. And what is Marvel? Marvel is the currency of the system. How GMG work? GMG is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of reciprocity and benevolence. In GMG, you don't have to make contracts or pledge your property. In GMG, there are no lender and no debitors. Everything is simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing GMG demands from each participant is to be honest and kind to each other. Mechanism on how GMG works. GMG is a community of people providing mutual financial help to each other. One person asks for help and the other provides the help. It is a mutually beneficial system where the amount you donate grows by 30% per month. GMG is not a bank and does not collect your money. GMG is transferred from one member to another. It is totally transparent system. Mavro in GMG. Mavro is the internal currency of GMG. It is what you buy when you pledge to donate and will start growing from that moment at the rate of 30% or 40% per month. A calculation of reward occurs every day until a month. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request for yourself. Type of Mavros in GMG. Through modern technology, GMG can serve its purposes to all the participants globally with the technical program and support. Bitcoin plays a huge part in GMG. It is used as a tool to deliver the peer-to-peer exchange of donation fast and easy. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency, a form of electronic cash. It is the first decentralized digital currency. The system was designed to work without a central bank or single administrator. Rules of GMG. Do not share your login details with anyone. It is for your safety. Do not edit your banking details or change passwords less than 15 days before GHing. The penalty, if you do that, your GH will be placed on moratorium for 14 days. Do not delay in paying your order. If you disobey, the penalty is you will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. If you disobey, the penalty is that you will be blocked. Do not fail to confirm payments. If you disobey, the penalty will be you will be blocked. Do not forget to write your letter of happiness after GH. Maximum day to write it after you GH is 3 days. If you fail to do so, you will be blocked. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want with one GMG account. If you fail to do so, penalty will be that all accounts will be placed on moratorium and only one account may be reopened after a series of mail to support with identification proof shown at face level. Benefits of GMG: interest, bonus, and program. Interest. Green Mavro Global Community is a community that is not interest or profit driven. It is a society of global financial aid and donation exchange community through direct transfer of financial donation among participants. That is peer-to-peer system, meaning person-to-person donation. Bonuses. A bonus refers to an incentive a participant gets in the community. This is a form of motivation and it boosts the performance of the participants. Registration bonus. If you join today and be honest to yourself by creating one account, there is a help for you to provide and a help for you to get. And you will be rewarded by 30% per month and a first time registration bonus ranging from $50 to $100 depending on the amount you donated. Referral bonus. The growth is 30% per month. This PH is matched within 48 hours and is supposed to be made to withdraw bonus. To withdraw bonuses, registration, referral, guidance, and leadership bonuses. You can create a GH request of 2 times the amount of help you provided from the bonuses after confirmation of this contribution. Referral bonuses. You get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development, but nobody forces the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding that GMG network can't exist without development and participant encouragement in the form of referral bonuses motivates many people. to take an active action or position. Guidance bonus. GMG guidance are specially trained participants of the GMG community. GMG guidance are the founder or foundation and strength of the community. In GMG, we have different level of bonuses ranging from first level to 8th level or more. Leadership bonus. GMG leaders take part in shaping the future of GMG community. They advise and assist participants of the community when they have some difficulties, including login problems, unblocking of GMG accounts, hacked and compromised accounts, transactional issues. Program. In GMG, participants invite newbies to join GMG by organizing seminars through presentation, imparting life by organizing welfare, NGO, and skill acquisition program for financial freedom. However, GMG have implemented various mechanisms to make donation exchange process more stable and beneficial. GMG have taken time to analyze the shortcomings of MMM, and GMG have put in place measures to control most of its flaws. Join today and be financially free. Register here. https://dreammavro.com. Thank you.